The word of the week is calculate. Calculate. Calculate is a verb that has three meanings. When we calculate, we figure out the price of something or solve a problem using numbers. For example, Tammy calculated how many frozen cups she would have to sell to make $10. The price of the frozen cups is 50 cents each. Let's calculate. 50 cents times 10 frozen cups equals $5. That's only half. She wants to make $10. Let's double the 10 frozen cups. 50 cents times 20 equals $10. So, Tammy needs to sell 20 frozen cups to make $10. Calculate also means to estimate. Tony calculated that about 15 drops of water can fit on a penny. How many drops of water do you think can fit on a penny? Finally, calculate means to intend to do something. The Madison twins' mean girl antics towards Jamie at soccer practice were calculated to get Jamie to quit the team. Hey Madison twins, bullying is never okay. Let's recap. Calculate means to solve a math problem, estimate, or intend to do something. Now it's your turn to calculate. Jamie and her 6 friends are going to the dance. The tickets are $5 each. A day after, Jamie purchases the tickets. Jamie's 2 cousins ask her to purchase their tickets. How much more will Jamie have to pay? How much did Jamie pay in all? Drop your answers in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. If you like this video, please share it with a friend. Till next time, be kind, be brave, be cool.